What's going on, everyone? Today we are taking a look at a new portable station. This is the VTOMAN Flashspeed 600, and we're going to take a look at some of the specs. This has a 499 watt life, a 4-pole battery, and can handle 600 watts at any given time with a peak load of 1200 watts. You can also, out of the box rather, we have the AC power cord, which plugs in here. And this is the only cord that you can plug into the wall. We have a cigarette charging plug, and we have 2 USB plugs. These can conveniently fit in this little compartment here at the top so that you don't lose them. This also comes with 2 handles so you can carry it. It's very lightweight, approximately 15 pounds, not very heavy at all. Here is where your DC adapter comes in, or car charger. This cord plugs in and you can charge directly from your vehicle. You have a fast charging port for USB and a normal charging, and you have 2 AC plugs. So I've turned it around so that you can see the LCD light bar that's here. If you press it, it comes on like this. Press it again, it's brighter. Press it again, it's real bright. And press it again, you have your SOS flashing. And press it again to turn it off. Your LED display, LCD LED rather, display is here. It's showing that the battery is at 80%. We're going to go ahead and plug in a few things so that you can see how it manages the load. So I went ahead and plugged in my son's switch, and I have my other GoPro camera plugged in, and the battery charge is at 80%. This is using, I'm outputting 0 watts, and this can run for almost a day using these before I would have to charge again. And doesn't look like there's much of a load on it or anything like that. Now, this is set up also so that you can use solar panels, and here's your plug for that as well. This delivers 600 watts of continuous power with a peak capacity of 1200 watts thanks to VTOMAN's V Beyond technology, enabling it to power devices up to 1200 watts. It's compact, as I mentioned before, yet powerful. It can service a variety of devices, drones, cameras, laptops, tablets, projectors, and mini refrigerators. And you can expand it. It connects to the Flashspeed 1500 extra battery for a total capacity of 2047 watts, effectively doubling the runtime for essential devices. It has multiple device supports. This has 8 output ports on two AC ports, two USB-A to USB-C, a cigarette socket, and a DC 552 port. It charges super fast. On average, it will take 70 minutes from your wall outlet. It reaches 80% in 2 to 4 hours using a solar panel, 200 watt, and about 3.5 hours if you are charging it in your car. This features a upgraded battery system with 10 safety features that were added to it. So overall, I think that this is going to be perfect. If we're sitting outside and want to plug our phones up or something like that, we don't necessarily have to run back into the house to plug the phone in. We can just take this outside with us. If I'm outside on my Traeger, I can plug the Traeger directly into this and use the power from this instead of the power from my home. It's a lot of varieties of features that I can use it for. And the ideal that you can add a solar panel to it is definitely something to look into. So I wanted to demonstrate the two plugs here, and I have my composter plugged in, and I also have my can opener, electric can opener. Now, the composter is running right now, and it looks like that it is pulling 7 watts, and I still have 80% or 79% usage left before the VTOMAN needs to be charged. Now, with this running, it jumps up to 60 watts. So between the composter and the can opener, it's up to 60 watts, and runtime is anywhere from 10 to 13 hours that I can use it. So as I said before, it has a lot of decent features that you can use. It comes with rather, and will be very helpful for you. You turn on the USB here, and it jumps up to 25 and then comes back down to 0 output. Also out of the box, I forgot to mention, you have your user manual and you have a variety of stickers. Now, I'm probably going to put some of the stickers on my computer, but the user manual goes over pretty much everything that I just spoke of. Here it has your overview of the LCD screen, and it shows you where your battery level indicator is, the percentage, power input, power output, estimated time remaining before it needs to be charged, output methods. Very, very simple to read and easy to understand. So if you're interested in purchasing one of these, I'll go ahead and put the link for VTOMAN in my description portion of the video and also down in the comments. I hope you enjoyed this video and that you'll think about getting one of these. It is extremely compact, as I mentioned before, and has a lot of features that you can use inside your home. Or you can take it camping. If you are one of these folks that go fishing out in the ocean, you can use it as a backup power supply out there also. Many, many, many things that you can use it for. If you enjoyed the video, give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment, good, bad, or indifferent, and I will reply. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, take a moment to consider doing so. I can grow a lot of stuff by myself, but I cannot grow the channel without your help. If you do decide to subscribe, don't forget to hit the notification bell all so you'll be notified whenever I upload new content. I guarantee you, if you like my content, your family and friends will also, so it's okay to share. Until next time, always remember to give the thanks to God, for without Him, we are nothing. Stay blessed, stay strong, and grow, grow, grow.